Welcome back, decorators. Today, we're diving into the cozy world of farmhouse decorating. If you're into that rustic charm, warm vibes, and a touch of nostalgia, then stick around because we've got some great ideas and advice for you. So, what's the deal with farmhouse decor anyway? Well, let me tell you, it's all about embracing that classic, country-inspired aesthetic. Think wooden beams, vintage accents, and plenty of natural textures. It's like bringing a piece of the countryside right into your home. One of the major advantages of farmhouse decor is its timeless appeal. Unlike some trends that come and go, the farmhouse style has been around for ages, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you live in a cozy cottage or a modern apartment, you can easily incorporate farmhouse elements to add warmth and character to your space. Now, let's talk about some key elements of farmhouse decorating. First up, we've got reclaimed wood. Whether it's used for flooring, furniture, or accent walls, reclaimed wood adds instant charm and history to any room. Plus, it's eco-friendly too, which is always a bonus. Next, let's talk about color palettes. When it comes to farmhouse decor, think earthy tones like beige, cream, and soft grays. These colors create a serene and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Now onto furniture. Farmhouse-style furniture is all about comfort and functionality. Think oversized sofas, distressed finishes, and plenty of plush cushions. And don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces for that eclectic farmhouse vibe. Of course, no farmhouse would be complete without some vintage finds. Hit up flea markets, antique shops, or even your grandma's attic to score some unique treasures. From old mason jars to weathered signs, these vintage accents add character and personality to your space. And let's not forget about textiles. Soft, cozy fabrics like linen, cotton, and wool are essential for achieving that farmhouse look. Think throw blankets, chunky knit pillows, and maybe even a rustic area rug to tie it all together. Now let's talk about some farmhouse decor trends. One trend that's been gaining popularity lately is the modern farmhouse look. This style takes traditional farmhouse elements and gives them a contemporary twist. Think sleek lines, minimalistic design, and plenty of natural light. Another trend that's been popping up is farmhouse chic. This style combines the rustic charm of farmhouse decor with elegant touches for a more refined look. Think crystal chandeliers, velvet upholstery, and plenty of metallic accents. And finally, let's talk about some tips for achieving that farmhouse look on a budget. First off, DIY is your best friend. Whether it's distressing furniture or creating your own wall art, there are plenty of ways to add farmhouse charm without breaking the bank. Secondly, don't be afraid to mix high and low-end pieces. Splurge on that statement piece like a farmhouse dining table, and then save on accessories like throw pillows and curtains. One thing that can really make a farmhouse-style room pop is the use of statement pieces. These are those standout items that draw the eye and add instant personality to your space. Think oversized barn doors, vintage farmhouse sinks, or a grand farmhouse dining table. These pieces not only serve a practical purpose, but also act as focal points that anchor the room and set the tone for the rest of your decor. Another key aspect of farmhouse decorating is paying attention to the little details. It's those small touches that really make a space feel cohesive and inviting. Consider adding some farmhouse-inspired accessories like wire baskets, galvanized metal accents, or even some fresh flowers in a mason jar. These little additions may seem small, but they can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your space. Now let's talk about lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in any room's design, and farmhouse decor is no exception. Opt for fixtures with a rustic or vintage-inspired design, like wrought iron chandeliers or pendant lights with exposed bulbs. These types of fixtures not only provide ample light, but also add to the overall farmhouse aesthetic. When it comes to window treatments, simplicity is key. Stick to classic options like linen curtains or simple cotton drapes in neutral colors. You want to let in as much natural light as possible while still maintaining privacy and adding a touch of softness to your space. And speaking of windows, don't forget about window seats. If you're lucky enough to have a window with a deep sill, consider adding a cozy window seat with some plush cushions and throw pillows. It's the perfect spot to curl up with a good book and soak in the natural light. Now, let's talk about incorporating greenery into your farmhouse decor. Plants are a fantastic way to add life and color to any space, and they fit right in with the farmhouse aesthetic. Consider adding some potted herbs to your kitchen windowsill, hanging a few ferns in your living room, or creating a lush indoor garden in a sunny corner of your home. Not only do plants add visual interest, but they also help purify the air and create a sense of calm and tranquility. Moreover, let's talk about the importance of layering textures in your farmhouse decor. Mixing different textures like wood, metal, and fabric adds depth and visual interest to your space, making it feel warm and inviting. Consider layering a cozy sheepskin rug over a hardwood floor, draping a chunky knit throw over the back of a sofa, or hanging a vintage quilt on the wall as a piece of artwork. The key is to experiment and have fun with it. Let's continue with the heart of the home, the kitchen. Farmhouse kitchens are all about functionality, warmth, and a touch of vintage charm. One way to achieve this is by incorporating open shelving instead of traditional upper cabinets. Not only does this create an airy and open feel, but it also allows you to showcase your favorite dishes, cookware, and decorative pieces. Another key element of farmhouse kitchens is the use of natural materials. Consider installing butcher block countertops for a warm and rustic look, or opt for a farmhouse sink with a deep basin and apron front. These features not only nod to the past, but also provide practical benefits for modern-day living. When it comes to the dining area, farmhouse tables steal the show. These sturdy, often oversized tables are perfect for gathering friends and family for meals and conversation. Pair your farmhouse table with a mix of chairs for an eclectic look, or opt for matching benches for a more cohesive feel. Moving on to the living room, cozy is the name of the game. Start by choosing a comfortable sofa with soft cushions and plenty of throw pillows. Layer in some rustic elements like a distressed coffee table or a reclaimed wood accent wall to add depth and character to the space. For the bedroom, aim for a serene and tranquil atmosphere. Soft, neutral bedding in crisp whites or muted tones creates a calming backdrop, while vintage-inspired light fixtures add a touch of romance. Don't forget to incorporate plenty of plush textures like faux fur throws and knit blankets for added coziness. Now let's talk about the bathroom. Farmhouse bathrooms often feature a mix of vintage and modern elements. Consider installing a clawfoot tub for a touch of old-world charm, or opt for a spacious walk-in shower with subway tile and brass fixtures for a more contemporary feel. Add in some rustic wooden accents and plenty of fluffy towels for that quintessential farmhouse vibe. And lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good coat of paint. A fresh coat of white paint can instantly brighten up a room and give it that farmhouse feel without spending a fortune. So there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about farmhouse decorating. Whether you're a country dweller or a city slicker, there's no denying the cozy charm of farmhouse decor. So why not bring a little slice of the countryside into your home? Some creative ways to incorporate farmhouse charm into every room of your home. Whether you're a country dweller or a city slicker, these ideas are sure to help you create a cozy and inviting space that's brimming with rustic charm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.